Hey everybody, it's Matt Collins with eXp Realty, here with Taylor Perry of Van Dyke Mortgage, and today we wanted to talk about why your online valuation is just wrong. So we've all been to the Zillow.com or Realtor.com. Everybody seems to want to give you an estimate of value of your current home. And those numbers are just off. And so part of the reason is everything's being calculated by a computer, right? So nobody has actually stepped foot in your home. Nobody has seen if you have new countertops, have just recently remodeled the kitchen. They don't have any idea. They're just simply pulling some values and maybe not even the right comps in the neighborhood to come up with some sort of guesstimate of what your house is worth. Nobody's going to get it. Nobody's going to get it right except for that licensed agent, right? So the details we put together, what homes have bought and sold that are most like your home in the neighborhood, right? Or the nearest valuation. This is how we can come up with almost a spot-on valuation each and every time. So it's super important. Don't trust the calculators. They are just, again, there's no human intervention. Trust an agent. Will be more than happy to take a look and see what your home's actually worth based on current numbers, okay? The other thing too is if you keep scrolling down each one of those different pages, you'll see that there's an estimated monthly payment. And Taylor, why are those so far off?
Because they are. Just like the guess with the value, the same exact thing is true with the payment. They're guessing at the taxes, they're guessing at what your down payment is, they're guessing at what your rate is going to be because they're giving you just an estimated rate of an 800 credit score with 20% down. They're just kind of assuming a whole bunch of pieces and putting it into a payment, and it is 9 times out of 10 too low from what they tell you to what your real payment's going to be.
So again, if you're even curious about what a monthly payment would be, talk to the local experts, right? Give us a call. That's what we're here for. More than happy to help any way we can.
Yeah, the end result, talk to a person. Don't depend on the computer. So
I hope you found this useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time.